How to edit Shopify theme code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and navigate to your Shopify admin, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And from the sales channel section, click on online store, then click on themes. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the current theme section, and from there click on the actions drop down, then click on edit code. And here you will land on the code editing section of your Shopify store, from which you will find all the sections that you can edit right here. And if you wanted to edit any section, say for example the blog, you just have to click on it and you will have the code right here, as you can see, from which you can edit as needed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can edit your Shopify store code, theme code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.